cooking rice on stove? There is nothing wrong to cook rice on stove, but in Asia, at least for China, Japan and Korea, most people, if not all, use rice cooker to cook rice because it is much more convenient. To cook perfect rice, you don't need to break the bank and buy an expensive model. The most basic one will do the task. The one I'm using is the most basic model that costs below 20 pounds, that is about $25 US. So, let me show you today how to use a budget rice cooker to cook perfect rice every single time. It's actually very easy if you follow my steps and my tips. So now, let's do it.
Today I will be using Jasmine Rice, but really, you can apply the same method to whatever rice you are making. Basmati Rice, Sushi Rice, you name it. The only difference is the water to rice ratio, which I will show you when we get there. The amount of rice needed per person per meal for my family is about 120 milliliters of rice. After cooking, it is equivalent to a large bowl of rice as shown on the screen. You may want more or less than mine. You can adjust it accordingly. I'm cooking for 2 people today, so I will get 240 milliliters of rice. Just as you would wash vegetables before cooking, we would wash the rice. This step is to remove any dirt or debris that remains on the surface of the rice. Next, we'll measure the amount of water required. The proper water to rice ratio is the key to making perfect rice. If there is too much water, the rice will become mushy, kind of like congee. However, if there is too little water, the rice cannot be fully cooked. This recipe is what I use to cook for my family every time. To cook jasmine rice, 1 portion of rice requires 1 1/4 portion of water. For example, 240 milliliters of rice will require 300 milliliters of water. If you are using sushi rice or basmati rice, you can use the following ratio. As the water to rice ratio is so important, I use a measuring cup every time to make sure the measurement is accurate. With the rice washed and water measured, we are ready to cook our rice. Now, pour the washed rice and the water all together in the rice cooker. Use our fingers to spread the rice evenly in the cooker. Make sure the rice is fully covered by water. Cover the rice cooker with the lid and press the cook button. The great thing of rice cooker is that you don't need to monitor the cooking process. It will notify you when the rice is ready. For example, when my rice cooker finished cooking, the button will switch from cook mode to keep warm mode and a pop sound will be made. It takes about 15 minutes for my rice cooker to cook the rice. Bear in mind that when we cook more rice, it will take more time. After the rice cooker finishes cooking, I will switch off the rice cooker, remove the lid and let the water further evaporate for about 10 minutes. This process will result in an even better texture of the rice and cool down the rice a bit so that it wouldn't be too hot to eat. Now, we can enjoy the rice. After you master this skill, you can enjoy delicious rice anytime. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It will be a huge support to me. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos under Asian Cooking 101 and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye!